Hi everybody, welcome to Popov Leather, and today I'm introducing our Advanced Burnishing Kit, which can be used alongside any of our DIY kits. In your kit, you're going to get a piece of sandpaper, our awesome bevel tool, our Popov leather balm, a classic, and our hand burnishing tool. Now follow along, I'll show you how it's done. Taking our sandpaper, we're going to finish our edge here. It's been glued together, stitched, looks fine. You're just going to even off the edge. The best way for me to do this on a flat surface, we're going to do one at a time here until it's nice, even, and flush. Great. Around the corners as well. Another technique is to do it in hand as such. The goal is to make it as even as possible on the edge. That looks good. I'm going to do a little touch up. Let's do this other side here. Get a nice rounding of those corners. It's important when you're doing the corners not to push too hard because you don't want the leather to flare out. Okay, let's do a little inspection here. Nice and flat. Flat all the way around. Nothing sticking out. Everything's pretty even. We don't have any large burrs. I'm happy with that. Awesome. You can take your beveling tool here and carefully apply pressure with your left hand or your right hand, the non-bevel tool hand, and easily dig into the leather product. Don't push too hard. Let the blade take the edge by itself. Corners can be done separately if you'd like. The goal is not to gouge a project, just to take off the raised edge caused by sanding. And there we go. A nice piece of spaghetti there. Beauty. Looks good. Notice how I'm doing this back and forth motion. If you ever have a bit of the leather that has a bit of a buckle, the back and forth is a real good way to ease the blade in there. That looks fine to me. Around the corner. Look at that. Beauty. Next one here. Underneath and forward. Just a little bit more there. Beauty. And push. There we go. Okay, that's great. All of our edges have been sanded and beveled. Now for the fun part. We're going to take our Popov leather balm. And we're going to get those side edges nice and juicy. Don't be shy here. We want to get it nice and dark. Good stuff. Look at that shine. That's great. A bit more on this side. And then last but not least, we're going to use our hand burnishing tool to make this that much better. Notice the color change? That's great. Awesome. Put that aside for now. We're going to find the size of gauge here that fits our product. So this is a bit big. That's probably legit. And this one as well. Considering we have two different thicknesses for our projects, I'm going to use the thin one and the second one here. And you're just going to go back and forth as such. This is going to round your edge and further impregnate the leather balm into the product, making it shine. There we go. That's great. This is a great tool, and because it has different gauges, it can be used on many different projects. Beauty. That's looking pretty nice. I'm going to do my final hand burnish like I always do. And there you have it. That's an advanced burnish kit on your project. Nice smooth edge, well oiled, looks professional. Thanks for joining. If you like this video, press like and subscribe, and follow us at Popov Leather.